It's Bill's ABCs of baseball. We'll go right through the alphabet. I'm going to give a couple of friends here. We think about hitting in baseball. It's pretty easy for me because I can do this all day long. It's Bill's ABCs of baseball. Today's letter is G. Now bear with me on this one. I'm going to do some writing. G is for get better. How are we going to get better? We're going to get better every day. Let's get better. Now, I want to explain this to you in this manner. There's a chairlift at your ski resort you go to. I know you ski a little bit. You climb up the mountain slowly but surely. We want to stay on the chairlift. There's going to be guys that you see in this sport that are better. They're already up the mountain a little bit higher than you are. But sometimes they seem to get off the chairlift and start sliding down the mountain. Now, my letter in the ABCs for C was compete. I want you to compete against everybody. But now keep in mind, when you get better every day, don't worry about the next person. You make sure that you get better every day. That person might be better than you, might be here, you're down here. But if you keep climbing up the chairlift, you never know where that may take you. How do you get to the top of the mountain? Very simple. Bill's ABCs of baseball. My G. Get better every day.